Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna make 5 spicy chicken with rice powder. Did you ever have any meats with rice powder? Please try, it's so flavorful. Either you can find a pack of rice powder at your Asian market, or I'm going to list my recipe in the description below how to make a rice powder at home with spices. Let me show you the ingredients. So traditionally it's made of pork or beef. Of course, we love chicken, so I have 1 chicken breast already sliced, and this is 1 pack of 5 spice rice powder. First, we're going to season our chicken, and just add some white pepper powder, salt, enough salt, and a little bit water. This way your chicken won't be too dry, so it'll be moist. And some oil. Of course, for pork, beef, you can skip oil, so they have more fat. Just mix this. And let's open our rice powder. Wow, smell great. Mix together. Oops, did I forget my green onion and ginger? No worry, we're gonna add it. Just need the white part of green onions. Chop finely. And some ginger. Okay, into chicken. And for rest of the green onions, we're going to chop up for garnish. Also, we have some cilantro. Now back to our chicken. Now,
hey, can you add some more rice powder?
Oh, okay.
I love extra rice powder.
You love it. Okay, for you. Normally this is enough for about a pint. For Mr. Cameraman, we add more rice powder.
Love it. Awesome. Great.
It's enough?
Yep.
A little bit more water. Now let's mix again. Next, we're going to cut potato. So for 1 potato, you can also use the sweet potato or pumpkin. And just cut into chunks like that. Okay, now we'll put our chicken together. Now in a bowl, we just put our potato at the bottom. Like that. And you can add a little bit salt. Now we just lay the chicken on top. Okay, to cover all the potatoes. Yep. Then into the steamer we go. And then we're going to steam it. Now the water is boiling. Let's place our steamer. Cover it. We're going to steam about 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, our chicken is ready. Ta-da!
Wow, looks great.
Yeah, it smells great. So optional, we can sprinkle some chili powder for color, a little bit of heat, and garnish with green onions. And cilantro. Looking great.
Wow,
Smells
smells
even
amazing.
better. Let's take a look at the potato. It's done. Yep, perfect. Are you ready to try?
I'm ready.
Ready to try?
I'm ready to try.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow.
Wow, that's so delicious.
So flavorful.
Wow.
Potato. Perfectly done. Actually, this is like a meal right, in a bowl. You have
Potatoes.
protein, potato, rice
Potatoes
powder.
great. I like the chili powder on there too.
Just a little bit of heat. Please try to make it. Either, as I said, buy a pack of 5-spice rice powder, or check out my recipe in the description box how to make rice powder at home. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.
Wow.